Hello there, we are going to talk about workbench, main process tank, assembly structure, part 2. Last time we talked about the detail with the process tank. Now we are going to talk about the whole system. This is the process tank, inner tank, and this is the wafer. And this is the out tank. And this is the DI water shower clean. We have the shower, nozzle, and during the maintenance period, we drain out, completely the chemical, and then empty the tank and start the DI water in, shower clean the DI water in, and use the nozzle to spread DI water to clean the tank. And the process must be the DI water clean, can be tolerance. Some chemical solution cannot touch the DI water. So that kind, we have another special solution to clean the tank. If your equipment without this equipment, you got to use DI water gun, clean the tank by manpower. And you can see we have the process circular line. First of all, we use the new chemical supply from facility to the line to the inner tank to let the inner tank fill of chemical and overflow to the out tank. And the inner tank is full of solution. Out tank also has the solution. And start to pre-processing. The chemical sucked by the pump. And the pump used specific material to make, and the pump's speed can set by recipe. A pump, inside the pump have the flow meter to let the system know what's the flow meter, what's the flow rate. The flow rate controlled by the speed, pump speed. So the recipe to control the pump speed to control the flow rate. And the chemical through this line, circular line, to be pumped out to the filter. The filter made by specific material and with 0.1 micron clean capability, or even 0.01, and so on. Advanced processing use more small micron filter to clean the solution. And through the filter and the solution go to the heater. The heater can set point by recipe. And the heater heating the chemical. Then the filled and the heated solution go back to the inner tank. This is we called processing circle line, because the chemical have chemical reaction with wafer. During this period, it producing a lot of particle, and use the pump to pump out the solution, and use the filter to filter the particle, and then use the heater to maintain the set point of the temperature, process temperature, and go and a clean heated chemical back to the inner tank. This is we call the circular line. So process circular line, normal run condition through it. And when we want to renew the chemical or do the service with this equipment, we use the drain line to drain out the chemical solution. Drain line is like this: inner tank and outer tank with a valve to open it to drain the chemical. So this is the drain line. Drain the chemical to this cooling device, because the process solution at high temperature, so we got to do the cooling action to let it cool down. And during the drain, action, the pump have a valve also open to pump out the chemical, and the filter also have a valve open. Let the filter drain the solution inside the filter, and the heater also have a valve to drain its chemical. So the field pump drain, and the filter drain, and the heater drain, and this period of piping also open it, drain. All chemical drain to the cooling device. Cooling device with cooling water in to cooling the drain solution liquid, and after cooling it out the cooling water out. So use the cooling water to cool this solution. After cool the solution at set temperature point, for example, about gentle down to 30 degrees centigrade. You will open the valve to drain the low temperature chemical to the chemical treatment of the facility. After drain, we can do the renew chemical action or service action, and the renew chemical supply, you can see it here, is new chemical supply from facility through this valve open, supply the chemical to the inner tank and overflow to the outer tank to fill the chemical. The new chemical supply for the renew action or service action, or the chemical processing several days and the heating can vaporize some chemical, let the chemical level a little bit low, and use the new chemical supply to adding some chemical to the system. Okay, this is the out piping of the tank diagram. So see you next time.